Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to click a very simple review about this powerful website called Wotter. Wotter is a tool to help you understand what your teams think it works checking out. You can create survey, you can gather feedback from your worker. Wotter turned that info into essay chart. This is the data you can see on the dashboard. It's like a control center. Experts help you build it. You can get an inside info about what's going on. It helps you make the better choice. You can also spot problems early using these websites. Now, talking about the top features, Wotter has some cool tools. They help you see what's happening at work. It's more than just survey. It gives you a deep look into your team, and here are some best key important features about this platform. It comes with a detailed overview together with a complaint heat map and a personal note for you and your team, together with a employee turnover calculator and explain analytics. Talking about the pricing plan, they have different plan which makes their service stand out. They have the demo access, they have the full access, and they have the enterprise access. So if you want more information about this, you can simply get back to the website to get more information about the plans and the key features that is listed on each plan. Thanks.